If your picking never gets faster, it's probably not because you need more practice. It is because you are using too much tension. Let me show you. There are many techniques for playing fast, but before any of them work, you need one simple habit. Relax your wrist. Relax. I didn't say pick softener. A lot of beginners misunderstand this. You can still attack the string with confidence. A relaxed wrist moves faster, feels smoother, and give you much better control. Now compare that with this. It feels slower, wastes energy, and you will get tired much sooner. Here is a simple exercise. Don't press any note with your left hand. Starting on the first string, play 4 alternate pick notes for every click of the metronome. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Then move to the next string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat this all the way to the 6th strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry about the speed. Focus on staying completely relaxed while keeping every note even and clean. As it becomes comfortable, gradually increase the metronome. If you want faster picking, don't start by trying to move faster. Start by removing tension. A relaxed wrist is the foundation of fast, smooth, and accurate picking. Master this first, and every other picking technique becomes much easier.